Hello everyone. In this lecture series, we are going to see arrays and string concepts. So in this particular slide, we are going to see what is mean by one-dimensional array, and we'll see one-dimensional array with an example. Yeah, as I already told you that array is a collection of similar elements, which means that a collection of similar data types. If I want to get only one value from the user, I have to declare only one variable. Suppose if I want to get 30 values from the user and store it and process it, we need 30 variables. Instead of that, we have created only one variable which contain all 30 values. So that particular variable is called an array. So this is the main purpose of an array. So in this particular slide, in this particular video, in this lecture series, we are going to see a sum of elements in an array. How to find the sum, which means that we are going to get 5 values from the user, and how to add all those values and produce the result. So this is the main aim. So as I already told you that program always start with an header file, then followed by a main function. So here there is only one header file. There are two header file. One is stdio.h, second one is conio.h. Then inside the main function, first we have to declare three variables. One is array, the size of an array is 5, then I, then sum. Sum is also initialized as a 0. The next one is a clear screen statement, followed by there is a line that is called as a printf, enter the 5 values. So we already discussed about these lines. The printf is an output statement. If we want to display something to the user, so we go for the printf concept. If we want to read and store some values from the user, we go for the scanf function. So the next line is inside the for loop, we are give the one scanf function, which means that we have planned to get a 5 values from the user. So the for loop is always start with 0, then I less than 5, then I plus plus, which means that so in this for loop is executed, it starts from 0 and it is executed till it reaches 4. So when it reaches 5, the loop exists. So for an example, if I value is 0, then it check the condition. Yes, condition is satisfied. So if the condition is satisfied means the statement inside the for loop is executed once. So there is only one statement is we have mentioned in this loop, that is scanf function. So scanf %d ampersand a of I. So here I is 0. So whatever value we are given, it's stored automatically in the a of 0. The next step is the I value is incremented by 1. So now the 0 becomes 1. Then again check the condition. Yes, I is less than 5. So condition is satisfied. So again the next statement is executed, that is scanf statements. So whatever value we are given now, that is stored in the a of 1. So this process is repeated when it reaches 4. When it reaches 5, the automatically it exits from the loop. So what is the next statement? Next for loop. We received 5 values from the user and stored in an array. The next thing is we add all those 5 values. So again we have mentioned inside the for loop. So for I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. Then inside that there is only one statement, that is sum equal to sum of a sum equal to sum plus a of I, which means that the sum value initially is 0. The a of I value is we already given. For an example, suppose if we given 1, then 0 plus 1 added and stored in sum. Then again the I value is incremented by 1. Then again check the condition. then again the statement is executed. So this process is repeated until I value reaches 4. When it reaches the 5, automatically it exists. So now all the values from the array is added and the result is stored in the sum variables. So with the help of the printf statement, we simply display the output. So that's all about the one-dimensional array and a simple example for one-dimensional array. If you have any doubts, comment on the comment section. Thank you.